Hey y'all, I'm Oliver from Carolina Country Sound, and I'm glad you stopped by today. So what I thought would be good is to share with you some of these didges I've been making. Now these are just examples of what you might get when you order one, and I think they've turned out pretty good. So this first one is, well, I call it Tilly the Cassowary, and get a good look at it. I think it's real pretty. Now she's in D. Let's see if we can make her sing, shall we? Yeah, this is a special didge. This other one I think you'll like. Now this one right here is Bart the saltwater crocodile, and this is my most recent didge. I made this one just a couple days ago, and it's in B. Here, take a look. All these didges have at least 5 layers of paint. I heat treat the PVC, and within reason I can do any shapes you might like. Now, this one right here is in B, so let me see if I can make her sing. Yeah, I think this one's a keeper. So when you're taking a look, what I want you to keep in mind is, as I said, these are just examples. And what I'd love is for you to message me with any ideas you have about animals, inspiration, any particular key that you might want. We can do it from G1 all the way up to B flat 2, so lots of range. And I know that you're going to love them. So thanks for taking a look, and get out there and play your didge.